मैं CS पटेल बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका शिक्षण विभाग वर्चुअल क्लास में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष का अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन टीचिंग पहुंचाने का प्रयास शुरू कर दिया है।
Standard second, subject English. Students, you are seeing my English book 2, standard 2. Yes, and today's lesson is lesson 1.7. Let's speak. Let's speak. So students, myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center MCGM Mumbai. Okay students, so 1.7, let's speak. Let's speak. Yes, I want to. I want to. Okay students, now say I want to. Yes students, you are saying, yes, you are saying raining. Okay. Snehal said, I want to go out. Okay students, yes, you are seeing. Yes, so see students, Snehal is here. Yes, Snehal is here, and this one Snehal's mother. Snehal's mother, and you say mother in your mother tongue I. राइट बच्चों, तो आप मदर को मदर टंग यानी मातृभाषा में व्हाट विल यू से, क्या बोलेंगे? आई, मम्मी, माता जी. यस, आई. सो स्नेहल सेड आई वांट टू गो आउट. नाउ से स्पीक. सो लेट्स स्पीक. आई, बोलिए बच्चों, आई वांट टू गो आउट. बोलिए, सभी बच्चे बोलेंगे. यस, वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, बोलना है, बोलिए. यस, स्नेहल सेड आई, सभी बच्चे बोलेंगे आई वांट टू गो आउट. बोलिए बच्चों, आई वांट टू गो आउट. Yes, so Snehal is saying to her mother, I want to go out. Okay. Now see students, see what mother replied. So mother told, it's raining. Do you still want to go? See the question mark is here. Yes. So mother said, it's raining. It's raining. And students, you are seeing it's raining. Yes. Do you still want to go? Mother asked. Do you still want to go? So students, first of all repeat it. Yes, speak in English. बोलिए. It's raining. सभी बच्चे बोलेंगे. Yes. It's raining. बोलिए. And what's the question? Do you still want to go? Do you still want to go? It's raining. Do you still want to go? Repeat it. Try to speak. बोलिए बच्चों. It's raining. Yes, it's raining, you are seeing. Yes, so you are seeing continuous raining here. So now say, it's raining. Do you still want to go? So yes, who is saying this? Mother. And who is mother? Snehal's mother. Snehal's mother. Yes, so mother said, it's raining. Do you still want to go? And students, now see further. Let's speak. Yes, I want to. Okay, students, what Snehal said? Snehal said, yes, I want to play in the rain. I want to play in the rain. So yes, what are you seeing here? Rain. It's raining. Yes, it's continuous raining. But Snail is saying, yes, I want to play in the rain. So yes, Snehal answered. Now repeat it. Speak in English. Yes, I. सभी बच्चे बोलेंगे. बोलिए. Yes, I want to play. बोलिए बच्चों, बोलिए. Yes, I want to play in the rain. I want to play in the rain. Yes, repeat after me. फिर से बोलिए. Yes, I. What Snehal answered. Yes, I want to play in the rain. Yes, repeat it. Yes, I want to play in the rain. Yes. Okay, students. Now see the answer. Yes, see what Snehal's mother said. Mother. Yes, mother. You will get wet. You will get wet. You will get wet. Wet का मतलब बच्चों? Yes. You will get wet. यानी in rain what will you get? Yes. You will get wet. यानी wet यानी का मतलब भीग जाना. Yes. So mother said you will get wet. Now say it. बोलिए सभी बच्चे एक साथ. You will get wet. You will get wet. Okay. So listen once again. So repeat it. A quick revision. Yes, I want to play in the rain. Yes, I want to play in the rain. Mother said, you will get wet. Okay. See further what happened then. Let's speak. I want to. Yes, you are seeing raining. So Snehal said, yes, but I want to enjoy the rain. So Snehal replied, yes, I. Okay, repeat it. बोलिए. Okay, let's speak. Yes, I. बोलिए बच्चों. Yes, I. But I want to. Yes, I. But I want to enjoy the rain. Yes, I. But I want to enjoy the rain. Now add and say, yes, I. But I want to enjoy the rain. Yes, I. But I want to enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. Okay. Now see further what mother replied. Mother replied. See here, mother. Go ahead. Okay. Yes, mother replied. Go ahead. Means yes, given permission. Yes. So Snehal's mother given permission to go. Yes. Go ahead. Yes. Now say, let's speak. Go ahead. I will finish my work and join you. Yes. Now say, I will finish my work and join you. Means mom is also ready. Means mother is also ready. Yes, to enjoy the rain. So she responded. She answered. Yes, she said to Snehal. What? Yes, go ahead. Mother said. Mother replied. Yes, students. Now see. Now say. Go ahead. I will finish my work. I will finish my work. Say it. Speak in English. I will finish my work and join you. And join you. Okay. Yes, go ahead. I will finish my work and join you. Okay. Means she has given permission Snehal to go out. Okay. Now students, see further. Let's speak. Okay. I want to. Okay, students. Now see the raining. Chintu. Okay. Now Chintu here. Yes, see here. Chintu. Chintu said. Yes, Chintu said, I want to play in the rain too. Yes, now see students, Chintu said, where is Chintu? See, Chintu is here. Yes, and Chintu is saying to, see, mother. Yes, see students, I want to play in the rain too. Okay, students, now try to speak. I want to play. I want to play in the rain too. Yes, repeat it. I want to play in the rain too. Yes, repeat it. In the rain too. And repeat the full sentence. I want to play in the rain too. Yes, listen once again. I want to play in the rain too. Okay, very good, very good. Now see. Okay, now see here. May I go? Means Chintu said, I want to play in the rain too. May I go? Means Chintu is asking question. Yes. Chintu is asking a question. May I go? I want to play in the rain too. May I go? And see students, he is pointing out. Means Chintu is pointing out. See here, outside. Yes, because outside, see, it's raining. Yes, you are seeing outside it's raining. So Chintu is pointing out. Yes, outside just. So I want to play in the rain too. May I go? See what said Snehal, means what said mother. Yes, Chintu, you may. Means mother has given permission here to Chintu. Yes, yes, Chintu, you may. Yes, Chintu, you may. Now say, yes, try to speak. Yes, Chintu, you may. Yes, Chintu, you may. Okay, means mother given permission. Okay, students, so let's speak. See, students, yes, you are seeing raining here, and yes, you are seeing, yes, so children are playing in the rain. Yes, so see, students, yes, just they are, see, yes, paper boat. Yes, so they are sailing paper boats. Yes, you are seeing they are sailing paper boats. Yes, so now see here, see the picture. Yes, so you are seeing that children are enjoying in rainy. Yes, you are seeing, and they are sailing paper boats. They are sailing paper boats. Okay, students, sir. So yes, you are seeing raining. Okay, so let's speak now, students, sir. Yes, so a quick revision of this lesson we will see here. Okay, so now see carefully, listen carefully, watch carefully. Snehal, I want to go out. So mother said, it's raining. Do you still want to go? So Snehal replied, yes, I want to play in the rain. Yes, so see here. So in the beginning you are seeing Snehal said, I want to go out. Yes, I want to go out. So mother replied, it's raining. It's raining. Do you still want to go? So Snehal replied, yes, I want to play in the rain. I want to play in the rain. Mother replied, you will get wet. You will get wet. So see here, you will get wet. Snehal said, yes, but I want to enjoy the rain. Yes, but I want to enjoy the rain. See here, yes, but I want to enjoy the rain. Okay. Mother, go ahead. Yes, given permission. Yes, go ahead. I will finish my work and join you. Means mother was happy now. Yes, so go ahead. I will finish my work and join you. Okay, so Snehal was happy. Okay, students. Now a quick revision. See further. Yes, so Chintu said, I want to play in the rain too. Yes, I want to play in the rain too. May I go? And mother replied, yes, Chintu, you may. Yes, Chintu, you may. Okay. Now students, at last listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Okay, so listen and repeat. I want to go out. Yes, listen, repeat. I want to go out. Yes, दोहराइए बच्चों, बोलिए. Speak in English. I want to go out. Yes, once again. I want to go out. Okay, very good, very good. Now listen and repeat. I want to play. I want to play. Yes, once again. I want to play. Okay. See the next one. I want to enjoy the rain. Okay. I want to enjoy the rain. Okay, listen and repeat. I want to enjoy the rain. Once again, I want to enjoy the rain. I want to enjoy the rain. Okay, students, very good. So, students, work hard and keep care about your health. And students, subscribe the Mumbai Mahanagarpalika channel. And students, work hard. Okay, students, and students, use this, means see this barcode and use this, students, you will get more information, you will learn. Okay, so work hard and keep care.
बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए। तो बच्चों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है। आगे फिर मिलेंगे। आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू वेरी मच।